Oh, you're there. Hi, kids.
Okay, kids, before we start, what day is it today? Very good. Today is Monday. Oh, very good. Today is Tuesday. Once more. Today is Tuesday. Very good. How about the weather? Help Teacher Carol. Look outside your house. How is the weather outside? Very good. It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is rainy. Very good. So that is your weather. Are you ready for our new lesson today? Let's start. Let's sing your short vowel letters.
Introduce each other. I am A, I make the sound cat, cat. I am short for A.
Okay, it's my turn. I am E, I make the sound red, red. I am short vowel E. All right, now me. I am I make the sound fin. I am short vowel I.
Oh, is it my turn now? I am O. I make the sound dog. I am short vowel O. Yeah, it's finally my turn. I am U. I make the sound nut. I am short vowel U. We are the vowels.
Very good, children. So that was our short vowel songs. So now, let's have a review before we proceed to our activity. Let's have this. What letter is this? Very good. It's A. Again, A. What is the sound of A? Very good. It's A. Again, A. Good job. How about this letter? Very good. It's letter E. What is the sound of E? Very good. It's E. One more time. E. Good job, children. Now, let's have our third vowel sound. We have. Now, let's have our third vowel letter. We have. Very good. I. What is the sound of I? E. Very good, children. Next, we have letter O. What is the sound of O? Very good. It's O, O, O. Again. O, O, O. Very good. Last one is letter U. Very good. The sound of letter U is, wow, it's One more time. Very good. So these are our 5 vowel letters. Okay, so those are the different pictures that we need in our activity for today. Remember, how many vowel letters do we have? Very good. We have 5 vowel letters. Let's see. Under letter A, sound a. We have map, map, cap, cap, fan, fan. Very good. We have letter E, sound e. Leg, leg, net, net, bed, bed. Very good. We have the third vowel letter, I, sound e. Pin, pin, lips, lips, bin, bin. Very good. We also have letter O, sound o. Dog, dog, pot, pot, jog, jog. And the last letter is U, bus, bus, bug, bug, rug, rug. Very good. Okay, so for our activity, I'm going to show you 5 pictures, and you have to tell me or help me put them under the right short vowel sound. Okay, are you ready? Okay, if you're ready, let's start. Okay, here's the first picture. What is this? Very good. It's a leg. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. What is the middle sound? Very good. It's letter E. E. Good job. Next one. What is this? Okay, it's a dog. Again, dog. D-O-G. Dog. Where should we put this? Is it here? No, good job. Is it here? Yes, very good. Dog has the middle sound O. Next, let's have this one. What is this? Wow, you know this. It's a bin. Again, bin. B-I-N. Where will we put bin? Is it here? Is it here? Or is it here? Very good, children. It's under letter I. B-I-N. Okay. Next one. What is this? Good job. It's a cat. Again, cat. Is it here? No. Is it here? Yes, very good. It's letter A, cat. K-A-P. Good job. Let's have the last picture. What is this? Very good. Bus. Bus. Okay, where is bus under? Is it here? Okay, no, it's here. Very good job. Okay, so that is for our... Okay, so that was our activity. For letter A, it's cat. Cat. Letter E, leg. Leg. Letter I, bin. Bin. Letter O, dog. Dog. And letter U, bus. Bus. Okay kids, so that was our lesson for today. I hope